your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. A very warm morning to our Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, dignitaries, teachers, and modernites. I, Charlene Phillips,
And I, Saurabh Singh,
would like to welcome you all on the most important events of our school, that is the Investiture Ceremony 2016-17.
before we proceed further, let's not forget to welcome our guest of honor. Please give them a huge round of applause.
But because of their ability to empower others. Not forgetting our Almighty Lord, let's now do the traditional lamp lighting, and I would like to call on our honorable guest to please come forward and do the honors. Now I request our school choir to sing a beautiful prayer song.
inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. School has always been inspired by the vision of its founder that every child that comes to this temple of learning must be a person filled with knowledge, fear of God, respect to elders, respecting the rules and regulations of this education portal, love and reverence to parents, and love for the nation. The students are the torchbearer of tomorrow, therefore, nurturing them and fostering in them a sense of self-respect, self-discipline, the capacity to enjoy life as independent, self-motivated adults, and the willingness to carry for others are extremely pertinent. Delegation of responsibility and giving authority to children is important as it teaches them lifelong skills of being powerful and caring at the same time, making them best citizens in making, foreseeing the welfare of the student future to train them in leadership skills. The school student council was selected after a rigorous and democratic process in which the student has to go through many processes to get selected for the much quoted student council body. In this solemn ceremony, the new perfect body of the leaders swearing in will be a gracious moment for the gathering to witness the emerging leaders. This is definitely one of the most significant events of our school and also a defining moment in student leaders' life too. This is inaugurated by a promise of a brighter future as the new perfects get ready to be invested.
Let's now start with our investiture ceremony, and to do the honors, I would like to call our coordinator, Mrs. Mona Srivastava, along with Chanchal ma'am, one of the senior most teachers of our school, to please do the honors. Shivani Singh. Prashant Mishra, and from 11th B, Yash Sharma. From class 12A we have Shrapnasri Shivaray, and from 12th B, Ritesh Yadav.
For the academic year 2016-17, do solemnly pledge to uphold and follow the rules and regulations of our school by honesty, perseverance, teamwork, and service before self. Above all, we pledge to strive in the spirit of excellence in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities.
Where there is no path. Now moving ahead, I now request our principal sir to come along with our vice principal to do the honors and confer the badges and sashes to our house captains and vice captains. Ajay Kumar, followed by Red House Vice Captain Harshita Yadav. From Yellow. From Blue House, we have the captains Divya Pratap Singh, followed by Blue House Vice Captain Pranjal Yadav. Boys Vice Sports Captain Sanskar Sonkar, Girls Vice Sports Captain Bushra Khanam.
We, the students of Modern Group of Schools, solemnly pledge that we will abide to the rules and regulations of the school. We will always try to uphold and protect the name and fame of our school. We will always be respectful and helpful to our teachers and be understanding and will cooperate towards our juniors.
Now I request our Honorable Director Sir and Principal Ma'am to please come up on the stage and confer the badges and sashes to our Head Boy and Girl and Vice Head Boy and Girl. Head Girl Priyanka Chauhan.
and vice captains do solemnly pledge to do our duties with the best of our abilities. We shall not misuse the power and shall strive towards excellence in every share of activities. We will always respect our teachers and will abide ourselves to the rules and regulations of the school.
And melodious school song. Be there as a guiding light in the time I despair and triumphs. Let them draw courage from the knowledge that you are always with them. Lord, grant them strength and understand to carry out their responsibilities to the best of ability. Amen.
Morning, teachers and children. I'm very proud to see these children becoming leaders. A mark of caution. All the people becoming leaders should have a very high value of sacrifice. You have to first think of others and then think of yourself. It is then only the people who you are commanding will respect you and will be your followers and you will become the leaders. You have been given the responsibilities to guide to be with your friends and give them the best what you can and take the best from them so that all of you together work as a team. I wish you all the best, congratulations and God bless. Also I thank all the people behind conducting this investiture ceremony. Very well done, all the teachers and the staff, well done. I'm happy and God bless. Thank you.
Children and teachers, today is a very special occasion. We have just had our investiture ceremony and all the office bearers have got your badges, your sashes, and it was quite a grand ceremony. And congratulations to all of them. Now children, you have a great responsibilities in your shoulders. You have to assist the administrative group of the school in keeping up the name and fame of this institution. The only three things that are required for this is hard work, dedication, perseverance, which I'm sure you all have, because you have been elected to represent the students as leaders. So congratulations once again. I'm sure you'll do a good job, and congratulations to all the teachers and organizers who have organized this program in an excellent way. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Teachers and dear students, to be a part of this wonderful morning, and I wish all the best to all the batch holders. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless.